Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital. In this quick video, I'm just going to go over a few things that you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. So this is just a brief SEO audit showing you a few things that you could start doing to help grow, primarily through digital marketing, but basically just your SEO. So without further ado, Jason, let me jump right into it. So just scrolling your page, I like the aesthetic, but one of the first things we look at from an SEO or search engine optimization standpoint is going to be your amount of content. So looking here, I can tell you're not meeting what we call kind of the minimum, and that's going to be 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Now that number comes from basically Google Direct. Google has released it. They want to see about 1,500 words on a homepage of content, and there's a couple reasons for that. One, they want to ensure they're matching their customers that use Google with things they're looking for. And two, it kind of allows you to get more keywords, which is the second thing I want to talk about, keywords and keyword density. So when I say keywords, it's not an exact word, but it's what kind of goes in the search bar. So for example, Jackson, Mississippi roofer, we can see, for example, Billy White roofing pops up here, and then we have some organic results down here, such as Dan's roofing, Jackson roofing, Billy White roofing again. So let's just check out Billy White roofing. So here's their website. Again, it's nice aesthetically. It definitely has a little more content than yours. They have some videos. But let's look at kind of how they're doing with their keywords. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, which you can get for it's $250 a month. But what it does is it kind of shows you the SEO a website's currently using. So this is theirs. So I can see that they're being found by Google for 147 keywords. But we can go one step further and see what those words are. So Billy White roofing makes sense. Roofing, Jackson, Mississippi. Bill White roofing, roofing in Jackson, White roofing, Billy White roofing in Michigan, Jackson roofing, roofers in Jackson, gutter installation Jackson, and then we can see the search results. So 100, 450, 70, 70, or volume rather. So this is how many people search this a month. So that's what's important. You want to see how much in a month. So you can do the math, but 600, 600, 200 right here is, a couple thousand searches. And if you're not on the top of Google, 80% of people per Google will scroll past the first page. So if you're not on that first page, you're missing that traffic. So the third thing I want to talk about is how do you get on that front page? And that's going to be your offsite SEO, primarily backlinks. So again, this is your competitor. We can see they have 268 backlinks with 51 referring domains. Now, a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website, and when that happens, it transfers power. Now, I also ran your website in Ahrefs, so I can see you have 111 backlinks with 16 referring domains. So you're doing pretty good at the SEO, but you need to do more. As you can see, they have almost more than double yours, and they have way more keywords. You're only being found for 11, they're being found for 147. So changing those three things and increasing your content could really do a lot, because we can also see that you're getting 3 clicks a month on your website, whereas they're generating 74. The more clicks, the more people, the more chance of closing a deal, and ultimately more money. So in closing, in this quick video, we just discussed 3 things. We discussed content, how you want to have 1,500 words or more. We discussed keywords and how you want to be found for more of those keywords so you can get in front of more eyes on people searching for those things. Thirdly, most importantly, we talked about SEO and specifically backlinking, how you need more relevant sites pointing at you. Now, if you implement these strategies and focus on the things we talked about today, there's no doubt you can start jumping up in Google. But if you want to make it to the first page and you want to see the amount of customers that you could really be bringing in if you were at the top of Google, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488 or respond to this email. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you.